DJI is the king of drones, and having the right one can completely change your aerial photography game. Instead of struggling with makeshift setups, you can get a drone that actually works. Not every drone fits every pilot. What's perfect for one person might not work for another. That's why we have rounded up options for everyone's needs. All the mentioned drones links are in the description below. Number 15. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This lightweight drone, under 249 grams, is easy to carry and doesn't require registration for casual use. You can capture impressive vertical videos in 4K with 60 FPS HDR, showing sunrise, sunset, and night scenes in clear detail, ready to share right away. It comes with sensors that detect obstacles in all directions, making flight safer, even for beginners. The extended battery lets you fly longer without interruptions, and real-time FHD video transmission up to 20 kilometers keeps you fully immersed in your aerial view. Number 14. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is $299 for the cheapest kit and is the most affordable regular drone with a remote that I would recommend. It captures stunning moments in any light with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage with this advanced camera drone. It offers stable flight even in level 5 winds, while brushless motors provide extra power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. The drone supports one-tap takeoff and landing, GPS return to home, stable hovering, and simple one-touch operation. Number 13. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is ideal for aerial photography, featuring a triple lens system with a 100 megapixel wide angle, 12 megapixel, and telephoto lens. It offers up to 51 minutes of flight time and a 15-kilometer transmission range. With a 360-degree rotating gimbal, 6K with 60 frames per second HDR video, advanced obstacle avoidance, and Active Track 360 for subject and vehicle tracking, it delivers professional-grade performance. Additional features include an 18.6-mile range and a 128GB memory bundle. Number 12. DJI Flip. Next up is the DJI Flip, our top pick for an entry-level drone. It's lightweight, under 249 grams, and registration-free in many areas, making it ideal for beginners. Its unique circular folding frame looks cool and is easy to carry. With level 5 wind resistance, forward and downward sensors, and a 4K with 60 frames per second camera on a 3-axis gimbal, it captures smooth, stable footage even in low light. You can control it using onboard buttons, a smartphone app, or a dedicated remote. Number 11. DJI Inspire 3. It offers precise flight control down to 10 millimeters and supports dual operator control, making it ideal for film sets and commercial inspections. While bulky and requiring setup time, its camera setup rivals DJI's Ronin 4D 8K. The Zenmuse X 9.8K Air gimbal shoots 8K video up to 75 frames per second in ProRes RAW, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and captures photos in RAW or JPEG with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. Number 10. DJI Air 3S. This drone has two 4K cameras that shoot 60 frames per second and capture lots of detail, even in clouds or low light. It can fly for up to 45 minutes and reach up to 20 kilometers. It senses obstacles all around, has a nightscape mode for night flying, and smart return to home so it can safely avoid buildings. It's a great mix of power and portability for anyone who wants flexible, high-quality aerial shots. Number 9. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. When it comes to cinematic shooting, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is in a league of its own. It comes with 3 cameras, a 20 megapixel Hasselblad wide-angle lens, a 48 megapixel mid-telephoto 3x zoom, and a 12 megapixel 7x telephoto lens. This setup makes it the most versatile drone camera DJI offers. It also includes 360-degree obstacle avoidance, advanced pilot assist, GPS stability, and an AirSense ADS-B sensor to detect nearby aircraft. With 35 to 45 minutes of flight time and options like ProRes video, 1TB storage, high brightness RC Pro, ND filters, and Fly More combos with extra batteries. Number 8. DJI Neo. Capture stunning 4K videos and photos with this lightweight drone, perfect for travel or professional shots. At just 135 grams, it's lighter than many phones and doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID, making it easy to take anywhere. You can control it using voice commands, the mobile app, or a remote controller. Full coverage propeller guards let you fly safely around your home or through trees. Number 7. DJI Avata 2. It features an upgraded 4K camera paired with DJI Goggles 3, delivering immersive, high-quality video with well-balanced highlights and shadows. You can choose from 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual, suiting all skill levels. The Motion Controller 3 ensures smooth, precise flying with obstacle avoidance and emergency return. With up to 26 minutes of flight time, the Avatar 2 offers exciting cinematic FPV experiences. Number 6. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic features a Hasselblad CMOS camera delivering professional quality aerial shots. FAA Remote ID compliant, it offers up to 46 minutes of flight, 15km HD video transmission, and APAS 5.0 omnidirectional obstacle sensing for safe, smooth flights. Its advanced return to home calculates the best route back, making it perfect for creators who want high quality, long range, and worry-free drone footage. Number 5. DJI Mini 3. The Mini 3 is a powerful and stable drone, even in level 5 winds, thanks to its 3-axis mechanical gimbal that keeps 4K footage smooth. Brushless motors provide extra power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. With up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and strong anti-interference capabilities, you can explore wide landscapes with a clear view. Flight time can be extended up to 51 minutes using the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, giving more time for creative shots. Number 4. DJI Air 3. The Air 3 is a reliable and easy-to-fly drone, perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing keeps flights safe, even in tricky areas like forests. The 48-megapixel camera captures sharp, detailed photos, while the dual cameras record stunning 4K with 60 frames per second HDR videos with vibrant colors. The 6-antenna system ensures smooth 1080p with 60 frames per second transmission up to 20 kilometers, keeping your live feed stable. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 SE. This is a lightweight, compact drone under 249 grams. A great option for hikes, road trips, and adventures. FAA registration isn't needed for recreational flying. It offers up to 31 minutes of flight per battery, or 93 minutes with the Fly More combo. Easy-to-use templates in the DJI Fly app let you capture professional-looking videos with just a few taps. With a 10km transmission range, 38 km/h wind resistance, and beginner-friendly features like return to home, it's reliable, safe, and fun to fly. Number 2. DJI Air 2S. It's easy to fly using your smartphone with the DJI Fly app, and the included remote controller makes setup simple. The 3-axis gimbal, OcuSync 3.0, and 4 remote antennas provide a stable live feed up to 7.5 miles. Features like Master Shots, Quick Shot, and Hyperlapse help create professional quality content effortlessly. With a 1-inch CMOS sensor, 20-megapixel stills, 5.4K video, and safety systems like obstacle avoidance and air sense, it's reliable, safe, and versatile for all aerial filming needs. Number 1. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 builds on the strengths of the Inspire 1 with major upgrades. It records stunning 5.2K video in Cinema DNG, Apple ProRes, and more. The drone accelerates from 0 to 50 miles per hour in just 5 seconds, reaches a top speed of 58 miles per hour, and has a max descent speed of 9 meters per second, giving it incredible agility. A dual battery system extends flight time up to 27 minutes, and self-heating tech allows cold weather flying. Advanced obstacle sensing, Spotlight Pro, intelligent flight modes, and smart return to home make it safe and efficient for professional use. That's the list. If you like this video or learned something, hit that like button. It takes 2 seconds and really helps. Thank you for watching.